All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. If you see any flickering on the screens or these buttons, that's just in camera. That is not in person. First thing I noticed is just how quiet this car is. The insulation is insane. The alignment feels good. Steering's nice and straight. This air ride suspension is very, very soft. Hitting on the brakes. That's not 100%, but just hitting on it enough. Steering wheel doesn't shake or shimmy. I don't feel any vibrations in the pedal when applying the brakes. They feel solid. This car handles really well for being a big-bodied car. It's very surprising. No complaints with drivability, though. That's in sport mode there. Probably 80% throttle. No complaints though, really nice. Alright, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this lighting in here does not do this paint justice. It's a beautiful, beautiful deep blue. So I'll try to get some photos outside and see if I can't get that paint to pop. Looking at the front right wheel, it does have some curb rash. That is something that can be repaired pretty easy though. Day code on the tires, 2022. Continental Pro contacts. Looking at the tread, from what I can see here, looks pretty good. Typical swirls from just everyday washing on the paint. You're going to see little imperfections and things like that. Now we do offer paint correction in-house, and we can get that looking tip-top, but that fender looks good. Here on the side mirror, a couple light markings, a few small rock chips on that A-pillar. Got a chip there, small chip here. Otherwise, that door panel looks amazing. Here on this door, that looks good. Lower rocker, you have that kind of smoked chrome look. I really like that, looks nice. A-pillar, a couple light scuffs. And looking at this wheel, you do have a little bit of rash around it. Date code on that tire, 2023. Got the Pro contacts. Tread looks good. You have some, I would say 50% window tint on the sides, just enough to kind of cut some of that heat. Looking at the front end, typical little rock impacts kind of peppered throughout, considering the mileage. Few there. Now here is a little bit larger one. You can see that's kind of a gash. Looking at the headlight, those look really good. Black chrome accent. Now you do have some gashes and flaws right here. Looks like the clear is kind of chipping, and you have a graze mark in that corner. Got the parking sensors, typical impacts on that front end. Love the grill here. That looks really good. Very aggressive. That lower side, that one's clean. Of course, if you get close, you're going to see typical impacts and flaws from over the years. And just considering the mileage. I don't see any other issues though. Fender, that's in great condition. This wheel does have some rash on it. Like I said, that can be repaired. Date code 2022 on the tire. And at the door, looks good. A couple little chips. A few light little markings here and there. Nothing that a paint correction can't fix, really. A few small imperfections there. A couple little chips. A couple little scratches and a really tiny ding there. Quarter panel looks good. You do have a little bit of rash on that wheel. You have a little marking here. Then looking at the back here, upper section, you do have some light scuffs right there. Got the xDRIVE. I love the integrated exhaust tips, those look nice. You do have a little marking right here. The parking sensors, got the camera. Light little markings. You can see that, kind of hazing. I don't see anything larger than just a few chips and light little scuffs, so no other damage. Checking out the interior, it is a non-smoker. You have the black leather. Looks amazing. Very clean. Got the double sunroofs. You have your carbon core. Illuminated trim. Looking at the ambient lighting here, you have that all throughout the cabin. All of this looks good. Here on the buttons, that's all nice and clean. You do have a couple gashes on that lower side. It looks like the lighting on the M logo is kind of dying here, the diode. This side's lit up pretty good. Typical little scuffs there. Carpets look awesome. That bolster looks good. Very little wear here on that edge. A couple light scuffs. The rest of that looks really nice. Here on the steering wheel. Overall in great condition. Those buttons look good. That looks clean. Got the digital dash here. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Navigation. And you look at the start stop button there, it looks like the kind of metal finish is rippling just a little. The rest of this looks amazing. Sport mode. Got the air suspension here, raise and lower it. Light scuffs there. That looks good. Got a USB port there, wireless charging. Really no complaints there. Very, very nice. Alright, looking at the front right door panel. Got the ambient lighting strip here. Looks good. Handle's nice and clean. All of that looks good. Got the memory seating. Really no flaws on that panel. Got the storage in here, and it's carpet lined on this inner side. Super soft in there. I know you can't see that. Small ding on that trim. Got the illuminated M logo here. Carpets look amazing. Checking out the seat. That trim looks good. A little bit of wear here and there. You can see some wear on the piping. A little bit here, so it's not bright white anymore. Or maybe it's kind of like a sky gray color. Upper section looks good. That looks nice. I love the ambient lighting here across the dash, upper and lower. Wood grain looks good. Leather up here is perfect. Got your owner's manual in there. Kind of a felt lined. Glove box looks really good. Got the sunroof. Headliner looks nice. This side's really clean. Looking out this door panel, it is massive. Really big, tons of space back here. That looks good. Got the ambient lighting. Buttons are nice and clean. There's all your buttons for the shades. A lot of storage. Looking at this trim, you have some slight delamination on that logo. A couple light scuffs. Floor mat looks good. Checking out the seats. A little bit of wear on the piping. Other than that, that seat looks really good. Ton of space back here. The seats are heated. There's your climate control access. You have your little vanity mirrors here, and then another sunroof there. Like I said, this is massive back here though. Here on the back left door panel, that looks really clean. All of that looks good. Lower side's nice and clean. That trim looks amazing. It's illuminated. Carpets are perfect. Got the wood grain accent here on the back. That looks nice. Light little scuffs on that seat. A little bit of wear on the piping. Couple light scuffs there, but it's very, very subtle. Alright, looking at the trunk. It is massive. Goes very far back. Little cubby here, little spot there, and then of course under here you don't have a spare tire. You have your battery though, and then it is a power close and open. Just gonna scan through the engine bay here, looking at all the plastic. You do have little scuffs on that plastic. Got the carbon inserts here. Those look really good. That looks nice here on the underhood liner. That's in great condition.